Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. This is Healthy Lifestyle, where we eat healthy, stay healthy, and live a happier life and having fun doing it. So we're going to be having a recipe today, but you just have to stay tuned and watch the video to the end so you can know what we are going to be having today. So let's go to the kitchen. Thank you. So guys, I got my hands washed and we're going to be having four variety of vegetable today for our salad. We have red cabbage, we have lettuce and celery, of course spinach. So I'm going to just dice the spinach and then add it to it. So I'm going to be adding carrots and the tomato. So I'm going to cut the tomato into two. I don't want it whole like that, so I'll have to cut it into two. Yeah, so all these are very necessary for what we're going to be having today in our salad. So yeah, I'm going to be adding one avocado. Avocado is a major uh, source of antioxidants, which can be linked to many health benefits, help to reduce risk of heart disease and cancer. Great source of vitamin, and yeah, that's so great. Keep watching to the end. So if you know you want to lose weight, you want to have a better sleep and reduce that symptom of menopause hot flush, this salad is for you. Give it a try, you say. So I'm going to be adding seafood bites, mussels, and king prawns. So the three kind of seafood that we're going to be adding. Remember the salad is called a seafood salad, which is good for those of us who always feel anxious, gain weight, always sweating at night, or maybe having a, it's good for anti-depression, unable to sleep well, so it's very good for those of us who are suffering the symptom of menopause. So yeah, that's the reason why we are having the salad today. So this three variety of seafood is very necessary for the salad. So I hope you like and enjoy it. Give it a try. So I'm not adding extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to add the sauce now. So the sauce contains mustard, a teaspoon of mustard, a teaspoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of honey, and a teaspoon of yogurt, all mixed together with a little bit of ketchup, a teaspoon of ketchup. Just mix all together to have a better taste. I add that honey. So all are very necessary for this salad that we're going to be having. I bet you when you give a try to the salad after eating it, you say you'll sleep like a baby and you have a very good mood. You feel happy and it just relaxes your body. So just give it a try. At least have it like twice or three times in a week. You'll see the result. I hope you like it. So I'm just going to mix it now and have a taste. Let's see how it tastes. Ah, wow. It looks good and colorful. And I hope it tastes good. And of course, it tastes really good. It tastes really yummy. I hope you like this recipe. So please leave a comment behind and enjoy it. Thank you. So the recipe I use for this salad, I'm going to leave it behind the comment section. So if you care, you can just check over there. You'll see the recipe, every list of the things that we use for this salad, and enjoy it. Thank you. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and support my work. I hope you like the recipe that we had today. So stay tuned for next time. Thank you. Bye.